Is your Porsche 911 GT3 RS check engine light haunting your drives? Don't let misfire issues rob your precision machine of its legendary performance. Call us now at 267-279-9477 for expert diagnosis. As Eastern Pennsylvania's European car specialist, we understand that your 991 generation GT3 RS deserves nothing less than perfection. Misfire problems aren't just annoying warning lights, they're performance killers that can damage your high-revving, naturally aspirated engine. Our comprehensive Misfire series service identifies cylinder-specific issues, analyzes fuel delivery systems, and examines ignition components. We diagnose everything from faulty coil packs to carbon buildup affecting your track-bred engine's breathing. Drivability problems in your GT3 RS often stem from complex interactions between advanced engine management systems and high-performance components. Visit Doylestown Auto Shop.com or email doylestownautorepair@gmail.com. Your Porsche receives the specialized attention it deserves. Follow for real Euro repair advice.